some garlic parm steak tortellini, guys. Come on, let's get involved. Woo! Yeah. Hello and welcome back to Barbecue Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, we have an amazing show lined up for you guys. We have a new guitar player coming in. His name is Patrick Wilkinson, and he apparently is a ripper, and I'm looking forward to it. I can't wait to hear this guy play. Alongside him, we're going to be also having Ryan Cobb on bass and Ian Atkinson on keys, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So what are we cooking tonight? Guys, we are cooking up some garlic parm steak tortellini, and it's going to be incredible. We're going to be doing it all on the Grilla Grill. Hope you guys are along for the ride. Let's get involved. Come on, people. Boom! Okay, so to start off this dish, we're going to be using some zucchini, some onion, and some cherry tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and prep these up and get them ready for the flat top. So here we go. All right, so now that these are all prepped up, we're going to be popping them on the flat top here shortly. Please like and subscribe. Check out these jams, guys. We're having a great time. Let's get involved. Come on. Okay, it's time to season up these steaks. Let them sweat out a little bit, then we're going to be popping them on the Grilla Grill. Wow. So we're going to be using some of this Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse. So check that out. We're going to be checking this out tonight. Alright, cool. We're gonna let this sweat out for a second, and we're going on with our veggies here. We're gonna start stir frying those up. So, alright, so we're gonna be using some beef tallow tonight for our seasoning of our pan, our flat top here. Okay, time to go in with some veg. I'm gonna pull these veggies for a moment, cook up the tortellini, cook up the steaks, and then put it all back together. Now we're going on with some cheesy tortellini that's cold. It's actually frozen, so we're going to be steaming it on the actual flat top. I am steaming the tortellini. Just put a little water on there, cover them up, let them steam up. And I'm also going in with some steaks. Alright, I'm lubing up the surface here. Got some Wagyu beef fat tallow here. And I'm getting ready to pop on some steaks. All right, going on. Okay, I'm gonna bring this up to about 115 internal, pull them, let it cool off, cut them up, and then I'm gonna put everything together on the flat top and mix it all up and then pull it. Yeah. Guys, I'm pulling these. I'm going to let them rest for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to chop them up, put them back in here, and we're going to stir everything together. Okay, so steaks are pulled, tortellini is ready to go. We're going to go ahead and chop these up, get them all sliced up, pop that on the griddle. Same thing with our veggie. Then we're going to be adding some of this Parmesan garlic sauce, and this is from Buffalo Wild Wings. We're going to be checking that out tonight, putting that all in, and then after we get it all incorporated, bring it out here, and we're gonna be putting some Parmesan cheese right on top. So, some of that. Here we go. Okay, so now we are going in with our steak, our veggies, and our tortellini. Let's put it all together and combine it. Steak. Going in with some of our Parmesan garlic sauce. Okay, I've got my trusty assistant over here, Ryan Cobb, helping out, and we're gonna plate up. Now we're gonna garnish with some Parmesan cheese, so here we go. So we have a newcomer over here. We've got Patrick over here. What's up, bro? How's it going?
Good, man.
Welcome to the show. Welcome to the jams. Welcome to the good eats. We're getting ready to dive in on this amazing looking dish I just created for everybody. So,
Thanks for having me, dog.
hey, my pleasure, dude. Absolutely. Thanks for coming out. And we also have Mr. Ryan Cobb and Ian over here. What's up, dude? How's it going?
Good to see you.
Good to see you guys. You guys ready to chow down on some of this tortellini, the steak, and all the good stuff? Okay, let me plate you guys up, and we're gonna go in.
Go for it.
I'm just gonna do it.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna go for it, guys. All right, plate number one. I won't load you guys down too much. I'll get you guys started now. Grab a fork, grab a plate.
Thank you, sir.
Get involved.
Thank you, sir.
Ah, there you go. Oh, that was very polite.
Very sweet of you.
I wouldn't have done that. Give me the food, bro.
Yeah, I don't think I would have either.
It would have looked bad if I cut in front of him.
You'll say, hey, man.
Dude, this is nuts.
Nuts? All right, hey, dude, that's what I'm talking about. Can't wait to get involved with some of this right here, guys. This looks incredible. Incredible. Boom, there you are, sir. I gotta come in too, man. This looks,
Yeah,
this
this is
smells
ridiculously
delicious. This is ridiculous right here, guys.
So we can just start stopping by your place?
That's pretty much it.
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly. That's what people seem to be doing lately. Tuesday nights, they know where to come. So, how's everybody think? What's everybody going on?
It's so soft, but it's not
really good.
undercooked.
Unreal.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Hey,
That's fantastic.
there's some good flavor going on here.
That's fantastic.
Whoa.
Yeah, you could sell those.
You could sell it, bro. You need to make a restaurant.
Hey, man, I'm working on it every night.
When you're not cooking, you just
What
pop
do you
on
think-
the
what do you think
drum
this is?
That's right. Yeah.
kit. Be like, yo, we're jamming at 4.
Pretty much.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Intermission.
Mm-hmm.
This is sick, dude.
Oh, dude. Nice.
Yeah.
All right,
A
guys.
little bit of spice to it. It's good.
It does have a little kick to it, right?
I don't know where it's
I
coming
wonder
from.
where that's coming
That's
from.
what was
It might be
burning.
the
That's what
wing
was
sauce.
burning your eyes in the
It
Parmesan
must be this
garlic.
sauce. It
Because
does have a little
it's
kick to
got
it.
chili peppers in it. You can see the red speck.
Yeah. But it's not like overwhelming. It's like got a nice little. It's got a super
No,
nice
this
flavor
is
to
perfect,
it.
dude.
Oh man,
Fantastic.
if you want to cook a nice little meal for your family at night, throw on some steak and some of these frozen tortellini and do some of this garlic parm. Guys, it is incredible. Thank you guys so much for being here tonight and hanging out.
Dude,
The
thank you for
jams are
having
going to be
us.
killing it here tonight, guys.
Let's do it.
Thank you all so much. Seriously, this is killer.
Thank you for having
Woo!
us.
I'm going to get a few more people over here, see if they want to get involved over here, guys. So who else do we have over there? We have Martine, we have James Salzer over here. We also have Ashley. Ashley, you got to come over. Come on now. All right, guys, we're bringing in some more of the crew over here, hanging out. So we have Ashley, we have Martine, we have James Salzer. Come on in and grab a plate. What's going on, girl? How are you? Good to see you as always, Martine.
Bro,
James
thank you for
Salzer.
having me.
Here's some forks.
Looks incredible.
Grab a fork.
And
You guys check it out, see what you're thinking.
check it out.
All right, there you go.
sir.
Yeah. I gotta go back in, guys. Come on.
Wow.
Whole different sort of stuff. Pretty good, huh? Hey, I like yummy. Yummy's good. I like yummy. Cheers. Boom.
Wow.
Nice. Got a good flavor to it.
Wow.
This is a hearty meal. Like I can see this on a really nice like winter evening at home. Throw this on. Just hang out.
You mean not August 20th in Jacksonville, Florida?
Correct. Not in August, but it's still good.
Bro, this is excellent.
Very much.
Excellent. Very interesting.
Very interesting over here. All right, we got interesting going on. We got yummy. Oh yeah. Yummy's always good.
Complicated.
Woohoo! All right.
Goodness.
James Salter, what do you think?
It's complicated.
It's complicated.
Interesting and wonderful.
Hey! We got a wonderful. Woo! Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you guys. You guys enjoy these jams, enjoy all this stuff right here. We'll be right back. Okay guys, we had an excellent show. Oh my god, that tortellini with the steak was off the charts, guys. What'd you guys think of that? Woo!
Incredible, man.
Oh my God, guys.
Incredible.
It was so good. And so we have 2 new people here tonight. 1 new person, which we have Patrick Wilkins over here. What's up, bro? How's it
for
going?
having me.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to hook him up with some merch over here from the merch company. Thank you very much, Derek Enter.
Well.
And got you a hat and got you a shirt, dude.
Look at that.
Yeah, and it's
you, sir.
official. You've been barbecue jam. Boom! Oh my God! Well, we have 1 more, and you know what? She's been up here so many times, and I've never got the opportunity to hook her up with some merch. So, come on down, Ashley.
Yeah.
Dude, thanks so much for being a part of the show and hanging out. And I want to hook you up with a hat and a shirt. I'm so sorry. I've never done this before. Never hooked you up. So, yeah. There you go, and it's official. You've been barbecue jammed. Woo! Oh my God! There it is. Guys, we're having a blast over here. Get involved. You know how it goes, guys. Come on, let's go. Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah. Barbecue jam. Barbecue jam.